Brian owns a factory and a distribution company. He is operating his businesses in a conventional way. He tried to venture into e-commerce by joining a reputable online marketplace. However, the commission charged by the online marketplace, as well as the payment gateway charges, is based on percentage per transaction, which is a burden to him. The worst part is, some of his existing customers have switched to competitors who are selling the same product with cheaper price in the marketplace. He even tried to build his own e-commerce portal, but facing more challenges such as technical issues, lots of system bugs to fix, budget issues, development work delay, and incurred additional cost by outsourcing a programmer, manpower issue, more overhead cost because the e-commerce portal does not link to his accounting system. He has to employ more staff to key in all the online data into the accounting system. Moreover, the staff always makes mistakes and enters incorrect accounting data. Hence, the accounting entry is really in a mess. Luckily, he found and subscribed to Bixzee, a private B2B and B2C e-commerce platform that has all the features he wants. A 24 hours with no geographical boundaries online sales channel, proactive marketing e-catalog blasting function, manpower efficiency. The order is made by the customer, and the salesman can look for new customers instead of visiting the existing customer just to take the order. He can have less back office staff as Bixzee is able to sync direct with his and other accounting systems. Bixzee does not charge commission by percentage. Bixzee handles all technical features. Some of Bixzee's other great features: purchasing, multiple pricing levels, stock management, customer credit limit control, automated truck capacity planning and logistics workflow, business insight in graph and chart, two-way seller and buyer auto-order status tracking, instant invoice conversion, two-way seller and buyer SKU item code matching, and many more. Now, Brian and his team are happy as all sales and purchase functions are automated, and he expands his business globally. All thanks to Bixzee. Your perfect e-commerce business starts with Bixzee. For more information, call us today